Hello everyone. So today's video is yet another PR unboxing. It's happy Saturday, so I'm actually pre-filming this right now because we're leaving for Tahoe with my family next week and I don't want to miss an upload. So I'm pre-filming a ton. The girls are with their dad, so I'm like busting it out as much as I can. Also make sure you're tuning in on Tuesdays. That type of content is a little bit more like personal, lifestyle, mommy, just more like things like that. And then I feel like Saturdays are really fun for beauty and the PR unboxings. So that's kind of like my plan there. Since I'm flying with the girls by myself, because my parents are driving up, my mom does not fly. I know. So I'm flying up with the girls by myself. Ross has to stay back and work, and he's also got like school events and stuff for his kids, so it just did not work out. But I'm just gonna go with the girls. It'll be a good little trip with their Mimi and Papa. They love them. We haven't done like a trip with them in a really long time, so I'm gonna fly with the girls by myself. Wish me luck. And I'm renting a car and driving 40 minutes to go meet up with my family. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna do a video which I believe is already live, and that is basically like talking about my tips and tricks of how I'm gonna travel with two girls on my own. Honestly, I've flown with them quite a bit already now, and they're long flights that we've done because it's to the East Coast. So I feel like I definitely have got a good regimen and a good like system in place that makes it really helpful, and I know it's gonna be easier because of those things. So watch a video for that. That will give all my travel tips if you're planning on any travel this summer. And then I'm vlogging the whole trip too, so that should be up soon as well. So you guys can get some content there. But we've got some PR here that we need to get through and show you guys. So let's go ahead and get on into it. Again, everything is linked down below. If there's a coupon code, it will be right next to it. And let me know anything that you are wanting to get reviews of, because then I could put those up on like Instagram or TikTok, like quick little review videos when I don't have time to do them for a full video. So if you guys let me know that, I can get it done for you. Oh, this is perfect. I can pack these with the girls. All right, First Aid Beauty. They sent over their Endless Summer Skin, ultra light, ultra dewy, ultra hydrating. We love that. We've got the, it's Kaleido Oatmeal Hydrating Sunscreen Milk. That sounds really good, and it's for sensitive skin, so I believe this will be great for the kids too. SPF 45. Then we also have their Hydrating Dewy Gel, which is hyaluronic acid and ceramides. Oh, that sounds really good too. Again, safe for sensitive skin, dermatologist tested, no artificial fragrance. You can use it in the morning and night, apply evenly over clean skin. So that will also be really nice. So thank you so much, First Aid Beauty. These are good products to definitely have for the summertime. By the way, if you saw in my last video, I was drinking a Celsius. I'm still drinking the Celsius. I'll need all the energy I can get. Oh, this is the WOOBLES, the WOOBLES. Learn to Crochet Kit for beginners. Oh, this will be really fun for the girls. They love arts and crafts. Like honestly, when we move, wherever we go, I want to make them a little arts and crafts corner because that's all they do right now. Like in Riley's room, we have a table, which I honestly kind of want to get rid of that one. I want to get a little bit better one for them that's a little bit more to their size, and create like a whole arts and crafts corner because they do that so much. Riley loves to sit there. She grabs her iPad because I have this app for her that teaches her how to draw, and she chooses the thing that she wants to draw, and then it shows her step by step, and then she loves it when I do it with her too. So I'll sit down and do it with her, and I'll show her like tips and tricks and stuff. Like she was like, Mommy, can you make me a perfect circle? And I told her, I go, baby, I go, just try to find something near you that is the size of circle that you want to create. And I go, just trace it. And she did it. And she's like, she was amazed by how good of an idea that was. And I was like, that's what Mommy does. So we love to do that together. But again, like arts and crafts and this thing would be really cool. And I know Riley would love this. So I'm gonna give this to her. It's Learn to Crochet Kit for beginners. I think this will be so much fun. You get everything in it. It's pre-started piece, step-by-step videos. It looks amazing. Also, it looks like it would be a really good birthday gift as well, because you're giving, I love artsy gifts to give, you know. It's activities that's fun for the kids that they could do at home when mom's busy or something and it's not on a screen. So we love that. We've got two products here. Take your time. Oh, it's a leave-in conditioner. A lightweight, universally nourishing cream for touchable, hydrated, well-defined hair. Love this. This is so good, so I can't wait to try that out. I love having leave-in conditioners. Again, I go through them so much because I have a bunch in my room that I'm constantly trying out, and I love seeing the difference of how they work once I blow dry my hair, and I can tell, I'm like, oh, this is a good one. This one is maybe not so good, you know? And then also I go through them like crazy with the girls' hair because I'm washing the girls' hair like we do it every other day. Otherwise no, it's too much hair. If you saw Riley's hair, it's a lot of hair. So we do it every other day. So I go through detangler sprays and leave-in conditioners like crazy. Oh, we got another one, which is a dry shampoo, but it's in a different type of packaging here. Let's see, is this like a powder? Oh, it is the powder, the dry shampoo. This is really, really cool. It looks like a big size of the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. So this is basically shake jar to loosen product, then dip brush into powder and apply directly onto your roots. So I guess you take a brush and you put it right onto your roots. So that's cool. We're gonna try this out. I also have another powder one. I've never tried them out before, but we will give this one a go because I love dry shampoo. It saves me. Okay, so next up we have the NOYZ Eau de Parfum. I love this. You can get these at Ulta. Honestly, I would definitely recommend going to Ulta. They've got them all laid out where you could just smell all the different scents. This one is called Rinse Cycle. So thank you, NOYZ. Smashbox, 3 seconds to better makeup. Let's see. Oh, cool. Oh, well, I wish I could have showed you guys how everything looked. So it like comes out like this, and then I think all of these, some of them kind of ripped and they just didn't stay. But I think it's a bunch of primers. It started as a backstage secret when we invented the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer at Smashbox Studios to minimize retouching, keep makeup in place on set, and look good doing it. It was so effective, artists kept stealing it. So 10,000 plus 5-star reviews later, we have a primer for every skincare need. I love that they have all these different kinds. I love them so much. So I have been through so many of their original one, and I've talked a lot about it on my channel too, if you guys have been around for a while. So I'm really excited to have more here. So we've got the original, which is the one that I tend to use the most, is the original. We also have an oil control. You can also do these where you could do them in your areas. So for me, I have a tendency to get pretty oily sometimes in my T-zone. You can even see it right now. I need a blot. But you could put this in your T-zone and then put either, like if you're dry in other areas or just original in other areas, you could put those in those spots. And then this one is the Pore Vanishing one. So you could do those to help get rid of pores. Then we've got the invisible SPF. Oh, I haven't seen this one before, but this is the sunscreen. Hydrating, yes. And then I think this is the green one. Yeah, Anti-Redness. This is also a really good one if you tend to get red in this like center part of your face. Like this is where I get the most red because of like hormones and stuff. So this one would be really good as well for you. But I love Smashbox primers. They are so good and they really, really do work. Okay, so next up from Pure Cosmetics, they sent over their Cloud Balm. It's a peptide infused lip treatment. That sounds really, really nice. I love that. So we've got their gel to water hydrating essence moisturizer here, which would be really good if I can tell if you have acne prone skin and if you're oily. And then we also have their Cloud Balm, which is a peptide infused lip treatment. We love that too. So I love lip balms like this that you could just throw in your purse and you just have on hand and you can just help hydrate your lips throughout the day. It's like super easy. So thank you so much, Pure Cosmetics. What's in this little guy? I think I got undies or something. Wait, what is this? I don't know what this is. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know. I don't know what these are. I have no idea. I have no idea. I don't know what this is. Like, what is this supposed to be? Well, I don't know. Welcome to having your UPS mailbox address to the public. Ooh, we love this. I love Naturium. Their body stuff is so good. All right, so they sent over Smoother Than Smooth. So we've got their KP Body Scrub and Mask. It's the AHA, BHA, PHA Body Exfoliator. This actually be really good if you self-tan like I do. We also have the Smoother Glycolic Acid Body Wash. Gently exfoliates and resurfaces to reveal softer, smoother skin. Fragrance-free, also really good. I love their body washes in this packaging. It makes it so easy. And then we also have their glycolic acid lotion as well. So those will be really good, especially between self-tans. Like if you wanna like get everything off one day, put it on, you know, just help exfoliate the skin and get it prepped and ready for another self-tan session. Those will be great. And I love Naturium. Like honestly, you can't go wrong with their stuff. Oh, I need another drink. Honestly, it's starting to get to like 5 o'clock. We should switch to wine. And then Madison does this tipsy because I get tipsy off of like 1 glass of wine. That would be really funny. Let's do some drunk PR unboxings, don't we? Oh, that would be so much fun. Let me know if you guys want to see that. You see Tipsy Maddie. All right, we've got Kerastase. I love me some Kerastase. So split ends. Oh, I think it's supposed to do something really cool there and I just ruined it. Time to split up. Ready? Oh, this is cool. This is really cute how they did that. Nutri Supplement Split End Serum. Oh, I could use this in my hair so much. I've been really loving the Kerastase. Forgot what it's called, but I will put in a picture here and I'll have it linked down below. But there's this one like that it's a dropper and it actually, I put it in ChatGPT and it's got some really good reviews on it and it really broke it down like how the ingredients are really helpful to dry, brittle hair, like if it's breaking up here and stuff. And that's what I deal with my hair so much because it's so dry. And that stuff has been amazing. You do like 4 drops throughout your hair. I love that. And then I've been doing their like rose glow oil and I'll put it just on my ends to help hydrate it. And it's so good and it doesn't leave your hair oily either. So Kerastase you just can't go wrong with. So I'm excited to try out the split end serum. I will be incorporating that in my routine. Then they also sent over this really cute heart necklace right here. Oh, you could put something inside of it, but they sent over a cute little heart necklace. I'll give that to one of the girls. They would love something like this. Thank you so much, Kerastase, for sending that over. I cannot wait to try out the split end serum because I need it really bad. All right, so from Hani Yule and Sephora. So this must be a new Korean brand that is in Sephora that they sent over. I'm very excited to check this out. I've never heard of this brand before. Ooh, they sent over one of their like little like geisha thingies or gusha thingies that you can like, that feels so good. I do this every once in a while. Oh, they sent over brightening toner pads. Brighten and glow, visibly improve radiance, dark spots, and dark circles. Yes, I love Korean skincare too. So much fun. So you can use these in the morning and night. And then they also sent over their Yuja Brightening Sleeping Mask. Oh, this will also be really nice to use. Use it at nighttime. 1 scoop to the morning glowing skin. 96% notice softer, brighter skin. Self-assessment from clinical 30 participants use once daily at night for 4 weeks. So this is a scoop and sculpt, so you can scoop it with it and then you just like sculpt with it at night. So we're gonna try this out. I think that would be really, really nice. And I could use some brightening because I feel like my skin's looking a little dull right now, to be honest. Okay, so next up, we have a package from Olivia Uma, and they sent over a Milky Resurfacing Brightening Toner Pad. So we've got some more brightening toner pads to try out here. Gotta love those. And then Clarifying Cleanser, Heartleaf Papaya and Fruit Enzymes. Oh, that sounds really nice. I'm always, oh, it's Korean too. I love that. Olivia Uma means Olivia's mom in Korean. Our love language is skincare, and each of our products is like a love note. Everything we make is thoughtfully formulated with effective ingredients that deliver real, visible results. From the first touch to that lasting glow, you will see the difference. So love that. Cannot wait to try these out. I've never heard of this brand before. Let me know if you guys have. I always like hearing from you guys. So if you guys have tried out some products. By the way, I just saw that on here with the ones I didn't know about, they have a brand name on the front. It's called Sculpt. So let's look this up online to see what, I just have to know what these things were. I'm wondering if it's something like maybe, I had a feeling face wrap. That's what it is. Oh wait, I don't want to use that. Go here. It's a face wrap that you use. So you're supposed to like, let's do this. Okay, these parts go for your ears, like that, and then whoa. Should I do for YouTube? It's a sculpting wrap. So yeah, they're instant jawline, non-invasive solution for a firmer look. And I guess you just, could you imagine like if I went to Ross, I'm like, what do you think about my face wrap? Yeah, so I guess we could try those out, but I'm glad that I finally figured out what it was. I was like really confused. I had a feeling for a second because I was like, when I saw the two holes, I was like, maybe they're ears, and then I don't know, but they're face wraps, so there's that. Okay, this is the last one that I have here in my pile, and this is a heavy one. It's from Biome Baby, and they sent over, oh, these actually look really nice. Oh my God, they sent over so many baby wipes. Better baby wipes, no ifs, ands, or buts, but buts is B-U-T-T-S. So this is their little holder right here. And honestly, I use baby wipes for everything, even to like wipe down the girls' faces and hands and stuff if we're out and about. Like I still have some on hand. And this thing is so cool. You can actually have different colors too. And you just put them in there. Oh, that's so nice. And then these are the baby wipes that you can restock. You just undo this little top part, pull it out, and then you slide this in there. So these are actually made with 0 toxic ingredients, wipes you can trust, 99% water, fragrance-free, microplastic-free fibers. So those sound amazing. They're made without toxic ingredients, microplastics, PFAs, triclosan, phthalates, parabens, fragrances, and phenoxyethanol, however I say that. But thank you so much. These are actually these are great to have around the house, honestly, anyways. I really appreciate it. And mamas, if you are expecting, I would recommend checking these out. You can get them at Target, and they're available now because they came out in March. So you guys can get these at Target. I recommend checking them out. So this is the base to it. So you can also just like stick it to things too, and then it can stay put as well. Oh, that's really cool. They think of everything, don't they? I love that. So thank you so much, Biome Baby. And again, mamas, check these out. They kind of remind me a lot of the water wipes that I used on the girls. And I love the packaging that it comes with too. Like these look great, and I love that they're toxic free. So thank you so much. Thank you to all of the brands that send stuff over. Again, everything will be linked down below. If I have a coupon code for anything, it will be right next to it. Give the video a thumbs up. Tune in on Tuesdays for videos. Make sure you're following me on TikTok and Instagram. I post there a lot. And I also post on Facebook, but I don't know who really is on Facebook anymore. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.